Who am I? Have you ever asked yourself this question? Have you ever seriously looked into the mirror, staring into your own eyes and asking yourself, you know, you're right here, you're looking into your own eyes in the mirror and ask yourself, who am I? Who am I? Am I my name, Zarathustra? My last name, Esfanyuri? Am I my nationality, by the country I was born in, or this label that they attach on my forehead that I am American, I'm Persian, whatever I am? Is it the religion that was given to me by my family or my society? Is that who I am? Is it the color of my skin, the race that I was born into? Is that who I am? Am I my education? Who am I? And if I can change my name or denounce my last name and change my nationality, change my religion, change my career, and can change the pigmentation of my skin color or my nose or my hair or whatever, I can change all these things, then they're changeable. So I could be something else or someone else. But who am I really? If I pull out these labels that have been attached to me from the time I was born, was given to me. You know, they were just glued on me that you're this, blah, 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 blah. If I start peeling all these things off and I just dive deeper inside myself, who am I? Am I my economical power? It's because how much money I have, how much real estate I own, what I drive. Or really there is something much deeper than that. And it's really worth investigating into questioning this and asking this question. Who am I really? Am I my feelings? Am I my thoughts? Am I the meat? Am I this body? Am I this really? Is this what I am? Or it's deeper than that. We bring our attention within and we look at that one point inside ourselves, at that place which observes and questions things. And in that, we will discover the truth of who I am.